Hi folks, Greg from AOK here in Port Jervis, New York at the Garnham residence. As you can see, we've already started the project. All the demolition has been completed. This is one of our contestant winners in our Ugly Room contest, the 2010 Ugly Room contest. They have won the 5th place prize, a $250 gift from us towards the project to help get it done for them. So come on inside, let's show you what we've got. We got some materials out here. As you can see, this house it's a very early period house, about 200 years old, original cedar shakes. So we're going to be doing some window replacement and window closing. So we'll need to put these cedar shakes into the wall. Take a look on the side. The windows that are done are in the back, but as you can see, using this one as an example, we're going to take these windows out, and then these shingles are going to have to get spliced back in. So it looks like that window was never there. So we'll take you around back on the next segment when we get the windows out and show you a little bit more about how we do that and the effort we make to make it look like the window was never there, which is always our goal. Okay, I'm going inside. That we're going to be working on is back here. This is one of the children's rooms, and as you can see, with any typical early period house, we have the lath and plaster. You can see here on the other wall, the kitchen side, the lath and the plaster. This side's already been removed on an earlier renovation, and somebody made an attempt to put furring strips and you know, all kinds of wiring, off wiring. We're going to be cleaning all of this up and putting in new electrical, so everything that is in this room is new and dedicated from the existing services. So we don't ever want to add on to an existing circuit or something that the homeowner may already be suffering from as far as an overloaded circuit. So we don't want to compound any problems, we want to eliminate problems. Looking over here, again, you can see some earlier work that was done, some walls that were closed in. You know, basically using spare parts, which a lot of people do. We don't do it that way. We try to frame everything from scratch the way it should be done, so you get a finished product that is quality. Over here you can see this is all rough cut materials. You know, back in the day, they didn't mill the lumber like they do today. Lumber is a rough cut, a true size. A 2x4 was really 2 inches wide by 4 inches wide, 2 inches wide by 4 inches deep. Today everything's 1.5 inches by 3.5 inches, so it's a ½ inch shy of the actual, what they call a 2x4 or a 2x6. We're going to be fixing all of this up, removing all the nails, taking all these furring strips down the ceiling. We're going to be framing a new ceiling so it's a suitable surface to fasten drywall to. These two windows are going to be coming out, and we're going to be building in a little wall AC, so it's built in, so you don't have to be tying up a window or having that in and out every year process with your air conditioner. There is no central air in the house, so this is typically how we used to do it before central air was available. So we would frame an opening with a dedicated outlet for an air conditioner, and the rest will be a wall. Over here, we're going to reduce the size of these windows, bringing them up about 1 foot or 2 to make room for a desk or a dresser. If we leave the windows this low, the dresser would be in the windows, which wouldn't look as nice. So we're going to be reducing these windows, eliminating those windows, re-sheetrocking the entire room, reframing whatever's necessary, and lastly, over here, as every bedroom needs a closet, we're going to have a nice walk-in closet here. And we're going to make it a solid wall here with a little bit of an angle so the door opens over in this direction, not into the traffic area. And a solid wall here. Lighting inside the closet, outlets for the closet, and completely sheetrocked inside as well. This door, again, thinking about traffic, as you can see now, it swings into the bedroom, which is normally the case in any bedroom the way you want it. But we're going to reverse it. We're going to have this door swing out to a blank wall over here. This way, the small bedroom won't have the issue of a door swinging in and creating more of a traffic issue. So, just a little bit of alteration to make the room a little more comfortable in the finished product. And that's it for the start here, A-OK in Port Jervis. We'll catch you on the next segment.